What's up guys, Truck Palmer here with another video. How do you know when your motor vehicle brakes are worn out and need replacement? There are some ordinary warning signs of bad brake pads and rotors, and we will go through some of them. The first sign is a warning brake light from some motor vehicle that will turn on to notify you of a possible issue with the brake system. The brake system should be checked at this point. Another sign is a squealing or screeching noise when braking. This noise normally results from a brake level indicator making noise. These little clips are installed on the brake pads and they rub against the rotor to make a squealing noise which signals that the brake pads need to be replaced. At this point, the braking material is running low. Some brake level indicators are made on the brake pads themselves, and others will need to be purchased separately and installed. Another sign is a grinding sound and feeling when brake is applied. These signs normally result from the brake pads completely worn out to the point that the metal part of the brake pad start grinding with the brake rotors themselves. At this point, the rotor will need to be resurfaced or just be replaced depending on how bad the rotors are. New brake pads will also be needed. Brake level indicators and regular inspection can prevent this from happening. Another sign is pulsation or vibration in the steering wheel or brake pedals when brake is applied. This normally results from uneven rotor surface, which also result in uneven brake pads. At this point, the rotor will need to be resurfaced or just be replaced depending on how bad the rotors are. New brake pads will also be needed. Another sign is the vehicle pulling to one side while braking. This normally results from one or more brake caliper not working properly and might need to be replaced. Another sign is not really a sign but a service interval. Brake pads usually last between 30,000 miles and 70,000 miles depending on the driving habits. If you commute in hefty traffic and use your brakes often, you will need to get an inspection more frequently. You can also check your owner's manual for recommended maintenance interval information. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one.